So, hi dear Capricorn, very very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal no contact reading for all the Cappies, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 21st of August. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is not your story. Don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading if it is not yours. Okay. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my course. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start, Cappies. The person that you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Let's see what we have. We have the Ten of Cups, the King of Pentacles, the Two of Pentacles. Ten of Cups, King of Pentacles, Two of Pentacles. So, at some point of time, they had a very, very strong desire to be with you for the rest of their lives. Maybe at some point of time, you guys were married to each other and or you were in a very, very serious, committed kind of a relationship. Okay. Now, this person's feelings towards you are on and off, in and out. Sometimes they feel like they should give it another shot. Sometimes they feel like they should just let it go. Sometimes they feel like you guys had a very beautiful connection with each other. You guys had a very beautiful history together. Maybe families are involved or kids are involved in the situation, and that's why they feel like maybe they should give it another shot, another chance. But at the same time, they're not very sure about it. So they're absolutely in two minds in the situation, on and off, in and out. And or the another scenario what I'm getting here is, Capricorn, that they might be dealing with somebody else here also, where either they are committed or married to that person and they are not able to let you go also, and they're planning to understand which person they should choose, or the vice versa. It could be like they were uh, married to you and they were connected to somebody else also, or they were married to somebody else and they were connected to you also. Okay, take it how it resonates with you. Either there's a choice between two people and they're not able to understand which person is the best one for them, or which person they should go ahead with, and or they are feeling like, because at some point of time you guys were so serious about each other, you guys had a very beautiful history, they feel confused. They feel like, okay, I don't know whether I should give it another shot or completely move on from the situation. I told you 2 3 scenarios. Take it how it resonates with you. There is a choice, there is a decision that they feel like making in this direction, but they're completely blindfolded by their own thoughts, not being able to do that. Confused, on and off, in and out kind of energies, feelings. The good thing here is that they still respect you, they still respect this connection, they still respect the bond, even if they are confused and off and in and out in the situation. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Cappies. We have the Temperance, the Five of Pentacles, and the Ace of Cups. Wow. See, their intention is to slowly but surely heal themselves. Be very, very patient with the whole situation. Be very, very patient with the whole dynamics with themselves. Come out of this losses energies. They had multiple losses in their life, actually maybe in multiple areas of their life and or in multiple relationships of their life. Now they want to keep their heart open to healing, you know to this energy of, okay, let's be patient with the whole dynamics, and whatever is meant for me will come to me eventually. That kind of open energy they want to keep in this direction, that if this is meant for them, if this is meant for both of you, it will eventually come back together. If not, they're trying their best to let it go. Yeah, but there's a sense of confusion, on and off, in and out. So they want to be very, very patient with the healing process. They want to be very, very patient with the whole dynamics between you and them. And they want to keep their energy and heart open in this direction, that whatever is supposed to happen, whatever is meant to happen, will eventually happen. They are open here. They're keeping their energies and heart open in this direction. Okay. And being very, very patient with the whole dynamics, with the whole situation. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 21st of August. Cappies. We have the Hierophant, the High Priestess, the Ace of Wands. The Hierophant and High Priestess together. Oh God, I got scared. Okay, the Hierophant, the High Priestess together is actually a spiritual connection. They feel very deep rooted spiritual connection between you and them, and they are very intuitively connected to the whole dynamics. But they are not going to speak up, they are not going to say anything, they are just going to keep their energies open in this direction, and they're going to wait for the universe to intervene in the situation so that whatever is supposed to happen will eventually happen. But they definitely can sense the depth of this connection, the spiritual bonding that you guys have with each other, and they are thinking about giving it a shot at some point of time if it is supposed to be. It's like one of those energies, one of those people where they believe in universe a lot, where they believe in karma and fate a lot, where they believe in spiritual kind of connections a lot, where they believe in, okay, if this is meant to be, it will happen, and if it is not, then it will eventually dissolve. So they are that kind of person, at least for the timing. They are in these kind of energies. The Hierophant and the High Priestess together, they feel this connection as deeply as somebody can. That's why they are not able to let it go fully out of their life, out of their system, even if they want to. Even if they are connected to something else, someone else, they are still connected to you on a very, very deep spiritual level, and they are open. They are open to the future of this situation. Like, okay, either it's going to evolve or dissolve, time will tell, but they're open to whatever is going to happen next. I don't see them taking any kind of action from their side, but I do see them keeping their energies open in this direction for whatever can happen next in the situation. Yeah. For you, the guidance here is the Queen of Cups. If you feel like expressing your feelings to this person, do that. Even if it means they're going to say no and they are going to block you and they're never going to talk to you, you are going to feel, you're going to feel much lighter. Even if it is going to make you feel a little bit hurt and painful right now, it will help you to move on. If you have done already, if you have expressed your feelings, if you have done like everything possible from your side in this direction, then you can just collect all the love from all the directions and keep it like turn it back to yourself. Self love, self care, self healing is the answer here. Then keep moving forward. If you are feeling like you have done everything possible from your side in this direction to make things happen, to make things work out, now you are kind of not able to do anything, or now this thing is going out of your hands, this is the time for you to direct all of your energies, your love and feelings and everything to yourself, and keep giving it to yourself until you are going to feel like you are completely over this situation, or you are able to let go of this situation with love and compassion, not with this anger, frustration or revengeful kind of energy. This is something very, very meaningful to both of you. Actually, this is a very spiritually aligned kind of, not aligned, actually this is a very spiritually connected kind of energies where both of you can feel each other's energies from a distance. I can't say with surety it's a twin flame energy, but it's definitely one of those energies where both of you are feeling each other's energies from a distance. So if you can express, if you feel like you definitely should do that. It will help you to either move on properly or help this situation to evolve in some way. And or if you have done everything from your side and now you are kind of done and you feel like, okay, letting it go properly, then like collect all the love and all the compassion and direct it towards yourself. Self love. Okay, that's going to help you a lot in moving forward. It's basically a deep spiritual connection. Yeah, one of those kind of situations. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Cappies. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.